Hello children, welcome back to English class. Hope you read the text, you have written the motivational verses which I told you to write yesterday. I'm very happy for that. And let us come back to our text, the page number 13. So we are discussing about this great personality who started his failures, who started failing right from the age of 22. Okay, and what is his struggle? First let me read out, then see, if you read about this person, you literally realize what a difficult situation he had in his life, and for a certain point of time, we might have think to give up. But he is the person, Abraham Lincoln is the person who did not give up his dream, who did not give up his efforts, and ultimately at the age of maybe an old age he got his success. So let us continue reading of this man. Okay children, so his sweetheart died. His sweetheart died at what age, children? Yeah, she died at the age of 26, and he has a nervous breakdown. Please underline nervous breakdown at the age 27. Lost a congressional race at age 34. Underline congressional, all of you. Yes, 34. Lost a senatorial race at age 45. Senatorial race. Here in India we have like parliament departments, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, upper house and lower house. So the same manner in America also we have parliament, that is we call Senate. And if you want to be elected as a parliament member, you need to get race over this senatorial race, and he lost it again at the age of 45. See, he started his struggling is right from 22 to 45. He is continuously struggling in his life. Everything is going against him. Everything is making him to fall down. But he is the person, Abraham Lincoln was the person who did not give up. He still, whenever lives make him fall down, whenever life gives him a punch, he's trying to stand. He is trying to raise himself. So, failed in an effort to become vice president at the age of 47. Even at the age of 47, middle age, he tried to become a vice president of America. But even he failed it again. Can you see how many times he failed, children? Lost a senatorial race at the age of 49. When he failed, did he give up? Did he feel that since 10 years, since 15 years I am trying, but still I could not get success, so let me give up this dream and let me think something other option? No. Again at the age of 49, he tried again, but unfortunately he failed and was elected president of the United States at the age of 52. Can you see the gap, the period he suffered? How many years he suffered right from 22 to 52 age? Nearly 30 years this man suffered. Nearly 30 years he has continuous efforts, perseverance. He showed his perseverance. He tried his level best to achieve success. After the continuous struggle for 30 years, ultimately he achieved his goal. So what do you understand from his story? 30 years is not a small period, my dear children. And what do? We just try for once, twice, or 10 times. We give 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, or 30 days time. We have no patience to wait for 30 years. This man has waited for 30 years to get his goals. This is what you need to keep perseverance. This is what you need to keep patience in achieving your goals, your certain goals, what you have in your life. He lost his sweetheart, he lost his goals, he lost his career, he lost everything in his life. But still, he did his continuous efforts and ultimately he received it. He got in his life at the age of 52. So this is what an inspirational story you learnt about Abraham Lincoln. Okay, now let us see, children. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Please underline, and I want you to write his name near his picture. His name is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, would you call him a failure? If I talk about US President, can you tell Abraham Lincoln was a failure? Obviously not. We say he is a successful person. He's a successful person, but what made him success? Was it a luck that he became president of America? No. It was his self efforts, it was his perseverance, it was his dedication towards his goal which brought him success. This is what this text wants you to develop in your personality, children. So this is what about we learnt about Abraham Lincoln, right? Now let us read about another person. See there, all of you, please follow the page number. Follow the page number 13. Look at the screen, all of you, and I'll give you 1 minute time to please read out this paragraph. I'll give you 30 seconds time. Alright, I hope you finished your reading. Now let us read about Lee De Forest. Lee De Forest. So who is this person? What are the failures he met in his life? What are the adversity he has gone? And how he got his success? Let us see there, all of you. In 1913, Lee De Forest, the inventor of Triod's tube, was charged by the district attorney for using fraudulent means to mislead the public into buying stocks of his company by claiming that he could transmit the human voice across Atlantic. Okay, it's a continent. He was publicly humiliated. Can you imagine where would be without his invention? So he's a great scientist and he promised the world. He has made trial. Can you please underline, children, here? Can you please underline triode tubes? It's an audio equipment. Triode tubes. And I want you to also underline the spelling of publicly. Triode tubes and humiliated. So when this man invented this one, and he said, I'm going to make you hear the voices of human beings over this continent, Atlantic. And people thought it's only a funny thing and he's trying to sell what he has made equipment only for selling those. He's making false promises, he's delivering false information to the people. And for this, what the government has did, children, by saying him that he's a big fraud, they have humiliated him. They have insulted him in the public, saying that this man is a big fraud. This man is a big fraud. And many times he got humiliation from the public, from the government itself. But he promised that I'm going to make an invention where throughout Atlantic people are going to hear one other voices. Can you tell me what is the equipment that we are using today? You are able to hear my voice today, right? What are those equipments? Tell me, children. Yeah, if you're talking about, it's like cell phone, telephone, mics, audio, right? This is what he made. But when the first time he made this invention, people laughed at him. They discouraged him. But because of his invention today, we are able to listen to each other's voice. So what do you learn from his story? When somebody laughs at you, when somebody discourages you, make sure you are not going to get discouraged and you will keep your efforts. You keep on going your efforts to achieve that thing. Okay, children. And your homework for today's classes, I want you to read the complete text of Be Reading so that we can discuss in our next class still. So your homework for today is, I'm not giving you any homework of writing today, but make sure after reading this text, you have to text me on WhatsApp saying this, I have completed reading the text. Am I clear? So I want you to read page number 13. I want you to read page number 14. I want you to read page number 15 and 16. The complete text you are going to read, so that we can directly talk in our next class. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Take care.